सादे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
Yesterday, when I told you that any time and every time the opposition makes it personal about the Prime Minister, it has inversely helped the BJP and the Prime Minister himself. But still, it's Rahul Gandhi. Still, it's the Congress party. You see, they keep on repeating. I gave you a whole list yesterday. And how could they have not done something in the last 24 hours? This time, though it was not Congress, but the alliance partner, Mahua Moitra of the TMC, she comes out and says that we should, what should we do? Cut off the head of the Home Minister. Huh? Cut off the head of the Home Minister, Mahua Moitra, and put it on the table. Put it on the table. Beheading. She calls for the beheading of the Home Minister of this country. And she's a member of Parliament. Yes, a sitting member of Parliament called for the beheading. Beheading of the Home Minister of this country. Yes, you are hearing me correct, viewers. This is the lowest of the law that we have witnessed. And it's not that it will give them any political mileage. Because as it's said, a politician uses all the bows. Sam, Dham, Dand, Bhed, everything. But it doesn't even help them. Listen in to what Mahua Moitra said. And then let's debate.
Indie leaders seem to have plunged to a new low. From Bihar to Bengal to Delhi, abuses, threats, hate speeches flying thick and fast. Almost giving an impression that abuse politics has become a new normal for some indie leaders. In Bihar during Rahul Gandhi's Vote Adhikar Yatra, abusive language was used against Prime Minister Modi and his late mother. After the video of the incident went viral, BJP leaders condemned it, asserting that under Rahul Gandhi's leadership, Congress had sunk to a new low.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी की स्वर्गीय माता जी के लिए अपशब्द बोलकर सबसे घृणित काम कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने किया है। मैं आज इस मंच से राहुल जी ने जिस प्रकार से घृणा की स्तर बगर की राजनीति की शुरुआत की है,
कांग्रेस हो या समाजवादी पार्टी या बहुजन समाज पार्टी, बहनों और भाइयों, ये वही लोग हैं जब इन्हें सत्ता में आने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ था। इन्होंने गुंडागर्दी का पराकाष्ठा की थी, हर जिले में माफिया पाले थे, जनता के विकास के लिए आने वाले पैसे में ये लोग लूट खसोट करते थे, गरीबों के लिए मिलने वाली योजनाओं में ये लोग डकैती डालते थे, विकास के कार्यक्रमों के लिए कोई पैसा नहीं आने देते थे।
Congress, however, dismissed all charges by the BJP, claiming instead that the man was actually a BJP agent.
किसने की टिप्पणी? इन्हीं के एजेंट घूमते रहते हैं, करते रहते हैं बदमाशी, और फिर यही मुद्दा बनाते हैं ताकि यात्रा से ध्यान हटा सके। ये बौखलाए हुए हैं हमारी इस यात्रा से। इनकी चोरी पकड़ी गई है, इसलिए बौखलाए हुए हैं। कौन है जो गिरफ्तार हुआ है, किसका आदमी है, किसने करवाया, उससे पता लगाइए। ये क्या बदतमीजी कर रखी, गुंडागर्दी कर रखी है सदाकत आश्रम। जनता सब देख रही है, पूरा देश देख रहा है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की गुंडागर्दी, और ये चलेगी नहीं गुंडागर्दी ज्यादा।
As the blame game raged on, another storm exploding. Trinamool Congress parliamentarian Mahua Moitra fueled abusive politics further by declaring that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah must be beheaded for his failure to stop infiltration in West Bengal.
আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছি, যদি ভারতের সীমান্ত রক্ষা করার আমাদের কেউ নেই, যদি অন্য দেশের মানুষরা রোজে শয়ে শয়ে লাখে লাখে কোটি কোটিতে ডুবে যাচ্ছে, যে আমাদের মা বোনদের উপর চোখ দিচ্ছে, আমাদের জমি কেড়ে নিচ্ছে, তা তোমার প্রথমেই তো অমিত শাহের মাথাটা কেটে তোমার টেবিলে দেওয়া উচিত। যে স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রী এবং যে স্বরাষ্ট্র মন্ত্রক দেশের বর্ডারকে রক্ষা করতে পারে না, যে প্রধানমন্ত্রী নিজেই বলছে যে বাইরে থেকে লোক এসে আমাদের মা বোনদের দিকে নাকি চোখে নজর দিচ্ছে, নাকি কি চোখ মেলাতা হিন্দিতে কি একটা বললো নাকি শব্দ, আমাদের জমি দখল করে দিয়েছে, ভাই তার দোষটা কার?
Her comments have triggered a bigger controversy, with the BJP filing a complaint in Krishnanagar's Kotwali. BJP is the opposition party in Bengal, and it's seeking an unconditional apology from Mahua Moitra and expulsion from TMC, terming her comments a call for violence and not dissent. Running out of ideas to take on the Modi government, but is abuse going to define opposition's politics?
Tuhin of the BJP continues. Subhrashtra joins in. Ashwini Kumar Mishra of the Congress, Professor Badshah Alam of the RJD, Advocate Anmol Pawar and Advocate Tausif Khan of the pro-TMC joins in. What I'm saying is this. The frustration is so high, Tuhin. The desperation has become so deep now that they are calling for beheading. Last time I checked, it was the Al-Qaeda. It was the terrorist organization calling for the beheading of any leader of any state or the home minister. I couldn't believe. I told my team to check and recheck and recheck. A sitting member of parliament calling Subhrashtra for the beheading of the home minister of India.
Well, Aishwarya, only...
How much desperate can you be? How much frustrated can you be? I understand, Tuhin, they can't defeat the BJP electorally. So now this is what they want to do. They want to behead the home minister. And they think the people of this country will accept this and make them victorious. Tuhin of the BJP, I begin with you, Tuhin.
Well, Aishwarya, until yesterday, I was convinced that only a terrorist or a terror organization can issue such a statement against the Home Minister of the country. But today, I am shocked it is being made by a member of parliament of the TMC, and there is a TMC spokesperson. That is even more shocking to defend her. You know, it's normalizing Sar Tan Se Juda. And I think TMC today is a party which is dangerous to the future of the country. When it comes to the India alliance, it is very clear that apart from corruption, if there is something which binds them together, it is their gali-baz tendencies. What they have said about Prime Minister's mother is despicable. It is condemnable. But you know, why are we surprised? Pawan Khera, who is defending it, who is saying that we are employing deflection tendencies, we are employing deflection tricks. Pawan Khera himself had abused the Prime Minister's father last year, if you remember, for which an FIR was filed against him and he was put in jail for a few hours. So every time, starting 2007, when Sonia Gandhi first used the word Maut ka Saudagar for Prime Minister Modi, since then the Congress has gone all out, not just to attack Prime Minister, but now to attack his mother, to attack his deceased father. And I think it shows the complete intellectual bankruptcy and the morbid character of the Congress party. These parties are dangerous to the future of the country.
Okay. The Congress party. Ashwini Kumar Mishra. I'll come to you, but I'm going to Advocate Tausif Khan. Advocate Tausif Khan, please tell me, how will you defend this? I just want to listen. Just for my amusement, I want to listen. How will you defend this? Tausif, how? How?
No,
Calling for the beheading of the Home Minister of this country. How will you back this up? And please, please think, 140 crore Indians are watching you and listening to you. How will you defend Mahua Moitra on this? Tausif Khan, over to you.
It is so surprising that BJP does not have any person with a strong literary acumen. People with poor literary acumen has picked up this line, which is a metaphor, which is a symbolic statement, and has nothing to do with the physical meaning, physical literary meaning of what was said.
Is that what you are? Is that what your defense is? Is that what your defense is?
Because the Prime Minister says the Home Minister has failed to protect the borders, therefore Home Minister should resign. That is the logical question people of country is asking. If Home Minister cannot secure the border, then he should resign. That's as simple as that.
How did so
And
Rashtra, I'm
people
coming to
with
you.
poor literary acumen
Coming.
is interpreting it differently.
Huh.
Well,
Give him 30 seconds.
Be that as it may, there's a case. There's a case. The case will follow.
You want
its
to
own
question,
course.
listen, Tohin, you want to question their actions, you want to question their inactions. You do that. But calling for the beheading of the Home Minister of this country, you cannot hide behind grammar and literature and saying and kahawat and whatever you may name it. Subhrashtra.
I'm sorry, but this is neither a literary, neither Mahua Moitra is a literary, is a producer of literary masterpiece. Mahua Moitra is an abusive MP who just wants to perform politics of performative populism in order to show intimacy with some kind of, street level thuggery. And the problem, Aishwarya, is that this kind of language makes violence thinkable in democracy. I'm not jealous, Tausif, because I'm not a politician. I'm not vying for any Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha post. So let me make it very clear. That, Tausif, will you allow me to speak?
Tausif,
you have
calm
a
down.
problem
Stop
with
heckling.
a woman countering,
Tausif, stop
countering
heckling.
an MP. You may have a
Tausif, if you
problem
try to
with
heckle her, I'm going to put your fader down. Don't do that, please. No one spoke when you were speaking. Thank you.
Don't wipe that smirk off your face.
Thank you.
What Mahua has done is she has ensured that violence is thinkable in this democracy. And people like you who are here to justify her words are doing exactly that. Aishwarya, it is a very slippery slope. From here on, these kind of words may also mimic a model. And these guys will then come across as sorry figures.
Advocate Anmol Pawar.
Let us understand that if there is anger on the streets, it means that democracy is functioning. If a democracy is non-functional, people become bereft of emotions.
Tausif also.
The problem is, how do MPs who are legitimate representatives of people, how do they articulate those emotions into their, formal language?
Anmol Pawar, are you backing Mahua Moitra? She's calling for the beheading of the Home Minister of the country. And last time I checked, we are still the world's largest democracy. And our sitting member of parliament is calling for the beheading of the Home Minister of this country, and I have political leaders and parties backing it. What have you come to?
Aishwarya ji, thank you for having me on your show. Aishwarya ji, such
This is not of show. I am thank you myself.
In a civilized, such language should not be used in a civilized society. And we have seen that how one of the Congress leaders abused Prime Minister Modi's mother. It is very condemnable. But our country, the 140 crore people, have witnessed a clear pattern over the last decade. We have witnessed that the Laila Majnu, Heer Ranjha, Romeo Juliet of the Indian
to the point.
politics,
CTP.
the BJP and the Congress.
Anmol Pawar,
they are working in
CTP.
collusion.
Anmol
They are
Pawar,
working in
a very
collusion.
senior person once told me, when someone is trying to make a jalebi of words to Hinsena, tell him 3 words. CTP. Come to the point.
Yes,
Come to the point. So please understand, come to the point. Do you back Mahua Moitra or do you not?
For the last.
Do you back Mahua Moitra or you don't? Yes or no, sir?
Aishwarya ji, I have said it very unequivocally that such kind of remarks are condemnable.
Okay, so Aam Aadmi Party is opposing it. Good to know that. Ashwini Kumar Mishra of the Congress.
Can I complete?
Okay, complete. 30 more seconds.
For the last 10 years, we have seen that BJP has been abusing Congress and saying that National Herald was an open and shut case. But till date, none of the members from the Gandhi family has been put behind bars.
I'm not discussing corruption.
You
want to discuss corruption? Let's have a discussion on liquor scam. And let's discuss that how Aam Aadmi Party wants to reopen liquor in Bihar. Stay on topic. Stay on topic. Anmol, stay on topic. I know you are a lawyer. That doesn't mean you'll join A to Z. Please don't do that, Anmol. My topic is on calling for beheading of the Home Minister. You want to do on corruption? We'll have a separate debate on it. In that we will discuss liquor scam, my friend. In that we will discuss, Tuhin, that how they want to remove the liquor ban in Bihar. But Congress leader, Ashwini Kumar Mishra, I'll come to you, but Professor Badshah Alam. Professor Badshah Alam, please come down. He's waited all through my first debate. I have to come to him first. Professor Saab, first I apologize to you that you had to wait so long. But Professor Badshah Alam, you're a senior person, an RJD spokesperson. Professor Saab, you cannot agree to this. You cannot agree to this. जी प्रोफेसर साहब।
ऐश्वर्या जी हेलो
जी बोले।
आपकी आवाज आ नहीं रही है, मुझे आपकी आवाज ही नहीं मिल रही है।
मैं अभी दोबारा ठीक करके आता हूं वापस। अश्विनी कुमार मिश्रा जी, Ashwini, you call the Prime Minister from Chaiwala to everything. From 2007 to 2025, your party has not learned. Your party has still not learned. Now you are calling for the beheading. Your alliance partners are calling for the beheading of the Home Minister, and you are backing Ashwini. Why, Ashwini? Why can't you condemn violence?
Give me uninterrupted 1 minute, Aishwarya.
1.5 minutes. It's yours.
Yeah, we did not call Prime Minister Chaiwala. He himself called Chaiwala. And moreover, this is not the DNA of Congress to abuse anyone. It is the DNA of Bharatiya Janata Party to abuse politicians.
Mahua Moitra is in BJP?
It starts from Prime Minister Modi ji itself. I don't want to go in those details.
Which party Mahua Moitra represents?
Yes. Let me come to the Mahua Moitra.
That is the debate.
Let me say the same thing about you in a very famous proverb in Hindi. Let me repeat what she said in Hindi. हिंदी में हमारे यहाँ कहावत होती है कि तुम्हारा सर शर्म से झुक जाना चाहिए या झुककर कट जाना चाहिए जब आप किसी ऐसे इंडिफेंसिबल को डिफेंड करते हैं. That is what a proverb in Hindi means. That is what the proverb in Hindi means. And you are defending.
शर्म से झुक जाना चाहिए और शर्म से काट के सुनिए. शर्म से झुक जाना चाहिए या शर्म से काट के टेबल पे रख देना चाहिए. ऐसी कोई कहावत है क्या? तू इन लास्ट टाइम आई चेक. नो, लिसन, सुनो मेरी बात. अश्विनी कुमार, डोंट ट्राई टू हाइड बिहाइंड द लैंग्वेज. इट इज नॉट अ लैंग्वेज डिबेट. It's a violence debate. It's a pro-violence debate. It's a Tuinsena wants to come in. Tuinsena wants to come in. Yes, Tuin.
They have been abusing Prime Minister Modi for the last 20 years. You know, we have no.
And they have been losing.
Every time they abuse, you know, we stand to gain. But the problem is, what wrong has the diseased mother of Prime Minister done to them? And by, you know, she was never a part of public life. She stayed away from public glare. By insulting her, you have insulted
Ashwini,
all the poor women in this country. You have insulted all the poor women in this country who have made so much sacrifice to ensure that the children to serve the nation.
बादशाह जी, बादशाह साहब, आरजेडी, आप लालू जी की पार्टी के. लालू जी की कहावतें, लालू जी's proverbs Subhrashtra are still very viral, even in today's time. His proverbs, his comments, his sneaky remarks in the parliament, and one of those are on Mamata Banerjee. But they were never calling for beheading. He never called for beheading, बादशाह जी. उन्होंने कभी वायलेंस का सपोर्ट नहीं किया लालू जी ने, कभी भी. और आज आप मुझे ये मत बताइएगा कि आज आप महुआ मोइत्रा के वायलेंस के कमेंट को बैक कर रहे हैं. बादशाह आलम ऑफ द आरजेडी, बोलिए बादशाह साहब.
देखिए ये अभी आपने जरा हमारी बात सुन लें. ये देखिए, ये गांधी की देश है, यहाँ हिंसा की कोई जो है जगह नहीं है. और लालू जी की बात जहां तक आप कर रहे हैं, वो कभी जो है हिंसा के पक्षधर नहीं रहे वो. और इस वक्त जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, जो डिबेट करा रहे हैं, आपने मुझे 1 घंटा से बैठा रखा है, फ्रेम में लिया हुआ है. और ये टॉपिक जो है कहीं का कहीं आप ले जा रहे हैं. अब आजकल जो सबसे ज्वलंत मुद्दा है, जो बिहार में SIR चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर आपने कोई बात नहीं करी. मुझे तो ये लग रहा है कि उस एजेंडे को आपने बिल्कुल छुपाना है, उसे दिखाना नहीं है. और वो जो है अटेंशन डाइवर्ट करने के लिए पब्लिक का ये इधर उधर की आप जो है बातें कर रहे हैं.
लाखों लोग तो डूब रहे हैं, परेशान है, उनका घर परिवार भर रहा है. आप इलेक्शन जीतते नहीं है. यू कांट विन एन इलेक्शन अगेंस्ट द बीजेपी. यू गो, आप इलेक्शन कमीशन को पेंट ब्लैक कर दीजिए. आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली में नहीं हरा पा रही थी, ईडी को कंप्लेन कर दो. लिकर स्कैम ये करे, ईडी की गलती थी. इलेक्शन में आप ना हरा पाओ, इलेक्शन कमीशन की गलती थी. What do you think the people of this country are? Fools?
जब आप
No, they are not. बादशाह साहब, please understand. वायलेंस पे ये डिबेट है सेकंड. और मान लीजिए लालू जी एंड आरजेडी does, I feel they will not support violence. आपको खुल के बोलना चाहिए कि no, we don't support Mahua Moitra's comment. Yes, Subhrashtra, quick. 30 seconds, Subhrashtra.
ऐश्वर्या, देखिए जो प्रोफेसर साहब है, उन्होंने बिहार का जिक्र करते हुए कहा कि आप SIR पे बहस नहीं कर रहे हैं. आपने वोटर अधिकार यात्रा मंच जो भी था आपका, वहां से किसी आपके कार्यकर्ता ने या कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता ने एक बहुत ही शर्मनाक बात कही. क्या आरजेडी की तरफ से स्पष्टीकरण आया?
The country has seen that, Subhrashtra. The country has heard it as well. And I don't like saying saying that, but they have. But whether it was my debate number 1 or debate number 2, the political priorities of our politicians are completely wrong, and I can openly say that. 8 states of this country are at a standstill. The national capital, the financial capital, and Bangalore come to a standstill in just few hours of rains. Is this the development? Is this the infrastructure? Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. And the list goes on, viewers. And secondly, calling for the beheading of the Home Minister cannot and should not be justified in any democracy. Thank you very much. That's the time I had tonight. And after the break, it's my colleague, Niranjan and Abhishek, coming in with another massive debate. Thank you very much.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला। सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।